Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make sourdough bread. So let's get started. So to make sourdough bread, you first need to make sourdough starter, and I have a whole video showing how to do that, and I'll put a link to it in the description box. So add the starter into a large mixing bowl, along with the warm water, instant dry yeast. You can use active dry yeast if that's all you have. You just need to use a little more and let it sit in the warm water for 10 minutes before adding it into the bowl. If you don't have yeast, I'll be uploading a video showing how to make yeast-free sourdough bread. And then add in the flour and mix them together until a dough forms. Then add in the salt and start mixing it in. Then use your hands to bring it together into a ball. Then turn it out onto the counter and knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's smooth and to help develop the gluten. The dough is not very sticky, so you may not need to add any additional flour. Then grease the bowl you had the dough in before. Place the dough inside. Grease the top of the dough. Wrap it in plastic wrap. And let it rise in a warm place for 1 to 1.5 hours until it doubles in size. Once it has risen, turn it out onto a lightly floured work surface and form it into whatever shape you like, and you can decide if you want to make 2 small loaves or 1 big one like I'm doing. Line a half sheet pan with parchment paper. Place the dough on top. Reshape it if you need to. Wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rise again until very light and puffy, about an hour. When it's nearly ready, preheat the oven to 425 degrees. Once the dough is ready, spray it with water, or you can gently rub water on using your hands. And cut a few slashes on top of the dough. And immediately place it into the oven and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes until it's nicely golden on top. When it's ready, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make sourdough bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.